there's this little voice in my ear, you know, I'll do something, I'll say something, and then there's that little voice in my ear telling me, oh my gosh, you're so annoying. Oh my God, why did you say it like that? Oh my gosh, do it like this. And then I become so self-conscious. I mean, what would it feel like to be truly 100% yourself? And I don't mean like how you are every day. Obviously, I know that we can't jump out of our own skin or be anyone else, but like, what would it feel like if we weren't afraid? We weren't so afraid to speak what we truly think. We weren't so afraid to laugh out loud the way we really laugh when we're alone. What if we weren't afraid of what people thought? What if we weren't afraid of what our families thought, how people would judge us? I mean, imagine how beautiful we would be. Imagine how beautiful we are when we're just truly ourselves, 100,000%. Uninhibited confidence is something that, it's a goal that I have. It's a goal that is very important to me. It's a goal that I hope that one day I'll be able to achieve in my life. I know I might look confident and seem confident and speak confidently and hold my head highly, but I feel like at the same time there's this little voice in my ear, you know, I'll do something, I'll say something, and then there's that little voice in my ear telling me, oh my gosh, you're so annoying. Oh my God, why did you say it like that? Oh my gosh, do it like this. And then I become so self-conscious, and like, even if you can't tell because you don't know me that well, I can always tell when I'm not free flowing, you know. And very rarely am I ever in that like free flowing state where I'm just taking in the moment as it is, and I'm not thinking of anything else, and I'm just truly present, and I'm like experiencing the moment as it's happening. Very rarely does that ever happen, you know. I feel like most days there's levels, right? I'm like physically here, but consciously I'm also like very self-conscious of everything that's going on. The sound of my voice, did I say that right? Is the next thing that comes out of my mouth going to be understandable, or is it just going to be one big blah, 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 word mess? It happens to the best of us, okay? Just because I'm on YouTube doesn't mean that I'm good at talking, honestly. But improving my speech has been something I've been working to improve this year. And I think it just comes down to getting more confident in hearing the sound of my own voice, being okay with the sound of my own voice, trusting myself, stop having that little mini heart attack of self-doubt that comes in right after you say something or right before you're about to speak. Has anyone ever had that happen, actually, where you're about to say something and you just get this like little like anxiety panic of like, oh my gosh, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, say it, and then it just comes out and it's not even English anymore. And it's like, I swear and I promise that I can read, I can write, okay, but I want to let all of that go this year. And I really want to tap into my peace on all levels. I want to detach from perceiving myself from the outside and just allowing myself to be myself. You know, I want to get away from feeling like I have to say things perfectly or look perfect in every single moment, and just allow myself to feel good in the moment. Because I think that those are the moments when I shine the brightest. Those are the moments when I have the most fun, and those are the moments when I'm actually able to just be myself in the most beautiful way. When I stop judging myself. Learning to turn off that voice in the back of your mind, that critic that's annoying, okay? It's like, even though you try to push the voice away, at the same time, the voice, over time, it makes you insecure. It makes you insecure and it makes you uncomfortable. It makes you not want to speak out as much. It makes you not believe in your own sauce. But at the end of the day, uninhibited confidence, and at least as I've perceived it on other people who have it, it's the most beautiful and the most powerful and the most attractive thing in the universe, is when someone's just themselves. As imperfect as they are, they're just themselves. They're outspoken, they're loud, and you can just tell that they don't care. You can just tell that they're not judging themselves and they're not holding back. That is so attractive. Stop judging yourself and stop holding yourself back. Stop criticizing yourself. Let yourself be. You're a human being, okay? You're not meant to be perfect. You're not meant to be this perfect little picture, this static picture that never moves. You're not a statue. You're not a painting, okay? You're a human being, and human beings are imperfect. Human beings are dynamic. Something that's so dynamic and fast-paced and fast-moving, it can't be perfect. It literally can't be perfect. Perfection only exists in the stillness of a captured moment. People who are so perfect are the people who are very silent, so you never hear anything from them, okay? So they can't ever mess up, right? So they're perfect in the sense that, okay, well, they haven't done anything wrong, but at the same time, they haven't really done anything. Or people who are almost, they're so reserved. Have you ever met those people and they just sit like this and they keep their hair like this, and if anything moves, they just shift it right back, and it's almost as if they're too afraid of just they're too afraid to just be. It's they're watching themselves be themselves in their mind. And I've been that person, and I hate doing that. I hate sitting there, but also while I'm sitting there, I'm not really actually being present in the moment. It's I'm watching myself, and I'm regulating myself as I'm just sitting there being okay, do this, don't do this, fix your hair, do this, do that, do that. No. And I think that criticizing myself and giving myself all these little tips is gonna make me look better or appear more confident or be prettier, but really it just makes me look very tense and very uptight. And the times when I'm the most beautiful are the moments where I'm not afraid to get my hair messy, and I'm just doing whatever. I want to tap into that. I want to tap into the beauty of imperfection. I want to be uninhibited. I don't want to tame myself. I don't want to hold myself down anymore. I don't want to silence myself because I'm too afraid of saying the wrong thing or saying how I really feel. I just want to be myself. I just want to be myself, okay? And yeah, if you guys, if what I'm saying is even resonating with anyone out there, just let me know in the comments down below. I'm trying to try this new thing. I guess you can call it my shower thoughts, just things I think about in the shower, and when my mind is racing, and I just wanted to share that. And I don't think I'm gonna cut this. I don't think I'm gonna edit this, because I think that's part of the point. I don't want to feel so scripted and feel so regulated, and I don't always want you guys to see and experience such a like polished version of me after I've gone into a video and cut out all this stuff and then made it sound better and added all this memes and all this other stuff to make it interesting. Like, I kind of just want to be vulnerable and let you guys get to know me as I truly am. Like, if you were sitting here right in front of me, if we were sitting right across from each other as we are right now in real life, this is how I would be in real life. There would be no sound effects, there would be no memes, there would be none of that. It would just be me like this. Like, this is who I am. And so, yeah, if you like it, like the video, and if you don't, well, see ya.